Beyond coding assistance, now we do have document writer assistance now using AI. So from just having AI helping us write our code, now we have tools that can help us write our documents as well. So AI is really taking over the world. So here we have Doco, which is a #2 Product Hunt badge winner of the day in terms of productivity. And so this tool allows you to write your Word documents using AI. So it might seem a little bit simple, but it's anything from simple. So basically, you have this piece of software that allows you to kind of have two interfaces. On the left, you have your document you're writing, and on the right, you have the modifications you are requesting on the document. So you can add modifications in terms of content, add modifications in terms of styling, and many other things. So it knows every file in context, and you can get answers from your SharePoint or your files effortlessly. You can refer to specific files and every answer is cited. So you can easily just iterate over your document easily and develop through it on and on. So this is kind of an AI assistance for writing documents and building up on it. So it's very interesting. I guess for those who are writing long document reports, documentation, and all the rest, this will be definitely a game changer. So you can imagine having to write a document of over 500 or 1,000 pages. Then with this, you can make use of that to really speed up the process. I equally see some book writers be interested into such a tool. With such a tool, you can easily write your book. If you're writing a book, you can easily draft it from beginning to end very easily, very seamlessly. And so this tool is really geared towards that, writing documents in a very precise and concise manner. So definitely you can check it out at trydoco.com and you can have a run at it. As always, it's a product with a price tag on it, so you want to check it out and see if it's something that you might have some use for. I just thought it wise to share this with you. I think it might be useful for some people out there who are into writing documents and very long reports. So let me know what you think about this and catch you on the next video.